Today, I will be showing you how to make chicken shahi roll, a super delicious, spicy, and juicy recipe that's easy to prepare. Trust me, you'll love it. Let's start by taking some boneless chicken in a bowl. Add green chilies, coriander leaves, garlic. Transfer it to a blender. Chili flakes, oregano, garam masala, salt to taste. Blend until smooth to make a paste. Transfer it to a bowl. Cut the slice of cheese into rectangular shapes. Spread some oil on your hands, then take some of the chicken mixture we prepared and flatten it in your palm. Place a piece of cheese in the center, then fold the chicken mixture around the cheese to cover it completely. Next, dip the chicken roll in beaten egg and coat it with breadcrumbs evenly. Fry them in oil over medium heat until they turn golden brown and crispy on all sides. The chicken shahi roll is ready. I'm sure you will love it. Definitely a must-try at home. It's easy and simple to make, with its juicy chicken and melted cheese inside, and crispy exterior. It's a flavor explosion in every bite. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.